from the blog cleverlychanging.com, and we are here to show you a new product. The products are called the Amazing Whip It. The thing about the Amazing Whip It products is that they are environmentally friendly. So if you're like me and you have children and you don't want to use harsh chemicals, these are some of the products I use in our home. They are all plant-based, which means that they are safe for your kids to use themselves. So my kids are now older, and so we give them chores. So I don't have to worry about the products that I'm giving them to clean with. When they smell them, there is no sign that says, don't inhale, make sure you do in a widely ventilated room. You can do it in your house like you normally do, the way you normally clean. And so some of the products are, this is the all-purpose stain remover. In this video, I will be sharing a demo of stains that we use to remove it. The thing about this is it doesn't work immediately. It definitely works, but you have to use it several times and then the stain will be removed. The next product that I like is the window cleaner. This is the window cleaner, and I like it because it's streak-free. It's all natural, and sometimes with the all-natural window cleaners, they smell like vinegar. This doesn't. It has a pleasant smell. It smells kind of like flowers, but cleaning solution. So that's a much better, pleasant smell than vinegar. This product is the all-purpose cleaning solution, and I use it for our countertops in our kitchen, for our sinks in our bathrooms, and it works pretty well. It smells like grapefruit, so it's a pleasant smell. To some people, grapefruit is kind of strong, but it's definitely better than some other products that I have tried that were natural. What I like about this is it's natural and it actually works. So when I use it to clean our tub and things like that, it does actually get the tub clean. This product right here is the Odor Neutralizer. So Whip It has created an odor neutralizer kind of like Febreze, and you can spray it on fabrics like a curtain, you can spray it on your couch, or even your bed covers, or you can spray it on clothes. And so this is a product that it does work. It has a light flowery scent, so not too strong, but a pleasant smell. This is the Amazing Whip It laundry detergent. So they give you a good size. This is HE efficient, and you get 64 loads out of this one bottle. So it's heavily concentrated and it works pretty well. It definitely isn't, it's great if you have young kids, so you don't have to worry about harsh products that may cause skin agitation. And this is the stain stick remover. So if you have a stain, like if your kids like to play outside and sometimes they get grass stains or other stains, you would take this product and rub it directly on the pants and get the stain out. So you would put it on, you would let it set for a little while. Let's see. You would pre-treat it and let it set for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you would go ahead and wash it. So again, this is a fresh scent. This is the laundry stain stick remover. All right, so definitely check out the full post on cleverlychanging.com and let me know what you think.
When using the stain stick, remember that you may have to spray it and wipe more than once. Also, remember not to rub too hard, because if you rub too hard, you could rub the paint off.
Please let me know how you like these products and if you use them. You can buy them on Amazon or you can go to Bed Bath & Beyond and purchase them. You can also, there will be an affiliate link in the description box where you can buy them from Amazon. Please let me know how you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my blog, cleverlychanging.com.